prices are up 20.4% over last September, and inventory is slowly rising. It's Friday, the 13th, October 2023, and this is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday, so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Annapolis inventory rose again this week to 158 homes for sale. 21 are coming soon to the market. 26 hit the market over the past week. 13 went under contract. 9 moved to pending. 16 homes sold over the past week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Southwater Point for $2,450,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at 39 for rent at a median $2,550 per month, and leasing in just 16 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday the 13th, October 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.